Hi everyone. We need language to communicate. As you know, grammar is an essential part of language. So today I would like to discuss the topic articles with you. What all things you know about articles? Can you just think what all things you know about articles? There are two types of articles. They are definite article and indefinite article. Where we are using this article? We are always using the article before the noun. The definite article is the and the indefinite article is a or an. First of all, we can move on to the indefinite article. That is a or an. We are using the indefinite article when a person or thing is not specified. For example, you can see this pen, and when I am saying this is a pen, so I am not specifying the thing. It's a pen. A pen. We are using the article a there. And if I am saying the example, an orange, I am just referring to a particular orange or not? No. I am just referring to an orange. I am not referring which orange. An orange. And if I am saying the example, a book, I am referring to a book. It's not a specified one. So, we are using the articles, the indefinite article, when the person or thing is not specified. And we are using the indefinite article always with the singular countable nouns. What are countable nouns? The nouns that we can count. That is called countable nouns. For example, we can count the number of pen or number of books as 1, 2, 3, and there are certain nouns that we cannot count. They are known as uncountable nouns. Next, we can move on to the usage of article an. When we are using this article an is used with the words beginning with a vowel sound. So, what are these vowel sound? Do you know? Of course, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So, these are the vowel sound. And when the word is beginning with a vowel sound, we are using the article an. For example, just take this word enemy. Which article you will use there before this noun enemy? An or a? A enemy or an enemy? Which one is correct? Of course, that answer is an enemy. Why? Because that word is just beginning with a vowel sound. That is a sound. Enemy. That's why we are using the article and there. And the next example is onion. So which article you will use there? A onion or an onion? Which is the correct one? An onion. That is the answer. And why we are using an there? Is it because the word is just beginning with a vowel sound? That's why we are using an there. So this is the rule of using an, the indefinite article an. First of all, we have to check whether that noun is beginning with a vowel sound. If that word is beginning with a vowel sound, we have to use the article an. And another example, an hour. You just check the spelling of that word, hour. What's the spelling of hour? H-O-U-R. Then what's the difference between that letter and the pronunciation? We are not pronouncing the word H, that means the letter H. We are pronouncing it as hour. The her sound is silent there, and that's why we have to add the article and there, an hour. So when you are adding the article, first of all you have to check the pronunciation, and after checking the pronunciation, you have to add the proper article with that. So which article you have to use with that? An hour. Then moving on to the next example, honest man. The spelling Honest. So there is a chance for you to Write there a honest man. If we are pronouncing it as honest, surely we have to add a honest. But what's the pronunciation of that word? That is honest. The her sound is silent there, and that's why we are adding there an honest man. So that's the usage of article an. And the next one, the article a. So with which word we are using the article a? The words beginning with the consonant sound, we are using the article a. For example, book. The word is beginning with the consonant sound. That is b. B sound is the consonant sound, and we have to add a there. A book. And what all these consonants means? You know the vowel sound. They are a, e, I, o, u, and the other sounds are known as consonant sound. And if the noun is just beginning with a consonant sound, then you have to add article a. And another example, a tree. Then also, the word is beginning with a consonant sound. That's why we are adding article a there. And another example, European. So the words just start with E. Then which article you have to use here? European. E-U-R. That's how that word begins. So which article you have to use here? A European. Yeah, that is how we are adding the article a. So we have to remember these things. The article we are using, we have to use the article before the noun, and we are using the article, indefinite articles, before the singular countable nouns. And we are using the article an before the words beginning with vowel sound, and we are using the article a before the words beginning with consonant sound. So these all things you have to remember. And the next one, we can move on to the exercise. So when you are doing the exercise, you have to remember these rules and you have to do the exercise. Okay. Now we can discuss the indefinite article. So a or an, that is the indefinite article, and when it is used when a person or thing is not specified. So just take this example, a book. We are not referring to a particular book, we are just referring it as a book. Then the next example, an orange. We are not denoting or specifying a particular orange, we are denoting an orange. Then another example, a pen. There also that thing is not specified, we are just mentioning a pen. Then we are using this indefinite article with singular countable nouns. For example, just take this pen as an example. Is this noun is countable or uncountable? Of course, we can count the number of this pen. This is only one pen, and we can count the number of pen. So that is called countable nouns. So we are using the article a or an with singular countable nouns. So all the examples, that means a book, an orange, a pen, these all are countable nouns, and we can use these indefinite articles with only singular countable nouns. Yeah. Then we are moving on to the usage of an. We are using this indefinite article an with a words beginning with a vowel sound. So, do you know what's this vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U. So, these are the vowel sound, and we are using this indefinite article and with the words beginning with vowel sound. Can you just say one example? Just think about it. An enemy. So there the noun is just beginning with a vowel sound. That's why we are adding that article and before that word enemy. We are pronouncing enemy. A sound is there. And next example, an onion. There also the word is beginning with a vowel sound onion, and that's why we are using the article and there. And the next example, an umbrella. There also the word, the noun just starts with a vowel sound. That's why we are adding that article and with that word. And the next example, ice cream. So, which article we are using with that word ice cream? Of course, we have to use that article and with the word ice cream and ice cream. There also we are using the vowel sound at the beginning of the word. So, this is the rule that you have to remember. When we are using the article and, we have to use the article and with the word beginning with a vowel sound. Okay, and you just listen this word, honor. H-O-N-O-U-R, honor. So, which article you will add to this word, honor? As you know, we are pronouncing it as honor. And what's the spelling of honor? H-O-N-O-U-R. There, we are not pronouncing the sound H. H sound we are not pronouncing. We are just pronouncing it as honor. So, there we have to use the article an. And another example, hour. H-O-U-R. So, there is a chance for you to write the article a there because it is starting with the sound H, H-O-U-R. But when we are pronouncing it, we are not pronouncing the sound H. We are pronouncing it as hour. There, the vowel sound is there. So, we have to use an hour there. Okay. Then moving on to the article a. So, a is used when the word is beginning with a consonant sound. So, as you know, the vowel sounds a, e, I, o, u, that they are the vowel sound, and the other all sounds are consonant sounds. So, we are using the article a with consonant sound. So, just take an example, a pen. There we are pronouncing the word pen as pen. First sound is there, that is a consonant sound. That's why we are using a there. Then what about girl? Whether it is a vowel sound or consonant sound? Of course, it's a consonant sound, girl. And so we have to use there a girl. And the next example, a woman. There, the word is just beginning with a consonant sound, that is v, woman. And there we have to use the article a woman. Then, what about the word horse? Yeah, that word is also just beginning with a consonant sound, and that's why we are using their article a horse. So, just take this example, university. So, which article you will use there before that word, university? Just think about it. Whether that word is beginning with a vowel sound or consonant sound. That is a university. There we have to check the pronunciation of that word, university. When you check the spelling, it is starting with U, university. Then there is a chance for you to make a mistake that an university. But it's not correct. We have to use a there, a university. So, according to the pronunciation, we are using this article. And the other example, European. So, what's the spelling of European? Whether it starts with U or E? It starts with E, EU. So, when we are adding this article, first of all we have to check the pronunciation and we have to check whether that word is just beginning with a vowel sound or consonant sound. So, here the word European is just starting with which word? Yeah, that is beginning with a consonant sound, and that's why we have to use there a European. Now I will give you certain examples. So you have to find out which article you will choose there. So the first one is teacher. So here you have to fill in the gaps with a or an. So we discussed the indefinite article and you learned what are the rules of using this indefinite articles. We are using it with singular countable nouns, and based on the sounds we are using a or an. With words beginning with vowel sound we are using an, and the words beginning with consonant sound we are using the article a. So these two things you have to remember and just do this exercise. So the first one, teacher. So before this word teacher, which article you will choose? A or an? So I will give you time, you just go through this exercise. So first of all, you just write the answer of the first one, teacher. You can write. Then the second one, engineer. That also which one you will choose? A engineer or an engineer? You have to write. Then the third one, car. And the fourth one, MA in English. So there which one you will choose? A MA in English or an MA in English? And the fifth one, 1 rupee note. So before that word, which one you will choose? So just write it. Then sixth one, interesting story. So which article you will choose there? Then the seventh one, union. Then the eighth one, hotel. Ninth one, elephant. And 10th one, woman. So I think it's clear for you, just write the proper articles before these words. So I think you finished your exercise. Now I will say the answer, you just go through your answers. First one, a teacher. So you have to check whether your answer is correct or not. First one, a teacher. And the next one, an engineer. Then the third one, a car. And the fourth one, an MA in English. So that is quite different from all other words. Why we are using that and there, an MA in English? So we have to check the pronunciation first. We are pronouncing it as MA. A sound is we are pronouncing, so that's why we are adding and there. And the fifth one, a 1 rupee note. That word also just starting with the letter O, but the pronunciation you have to check. That's why we are adding a 1 rupee note. Then the next one, an interesting story. There also a vowel sound is used at the beginning of the noun. That's why we are using and there. Then seventh one, a union. Then eighth one, a hotel. Then ninth one, an elephant. And the 10th one, a woman. So I think your answers are correct. If there is any mistake, you have to check. And you have to understand what all things you have to check while you are answering these articles. And now I will give you one more exercise. You have to check the error in this word. So the first one, a table. Is there any mistake in this word? A table. Of course, there is no mistake. That is correct. A table. Then the second one, a happiness. Is there any mistake? A happiness. This time you have to remember the rule that we are using the indefinite articles with singular countable nouns. Here, this happiness is a countable noun or uncountable noun? Of course, it's a uncountable noun. So we cannot use this article a or an with this happiness. So the next one, a doctors. A doctors. That is correct or not? Of course it is wrong. Why? Because doctors is a plural and we are not using the indefinite article with plural nouns. And the next one is an idea. Is that correct? Yes, that is correct. Because the noun is just beginning with vowel sound. That's why we are using and there. Then the fifth one, a water. Is that correct? No. Why? The water is an uncountable noun. So we cannot use indefinite article with uncountable noun. There you have to mark the mistake. Then the sixth one, an orange skirt. An orange skirt. There also a plural noun is there, that is orange skirts. If that is an orange skirt, then we can use there an orange skirt. But there we are using orange skirts, it's plural and that is a mistake. We cannot write there an. Then the seventh one, a pretty woman. Is that correct? A pretty woman. Yeah, that is correct. Then the eighth one, an advice. Whether that word is a countable noun or uncountable noun. Of course, it's an uncountable noun. So, we cannot write there an advice. Next, we are moving on to the definite article. That is the. When we are using this definite article, in order to indicate a specific person or thing, we are using this definite article. And we are using this definite article with singular countable noun or plural countable noun or uncountable noun. With all these, we are using this definite article the. So we can move on to an example. Just take this example, the book. Is that correct? Yeah, that is correct. The book. Then the books. That's also correct. Books. That is a plural countable noun. Then the milk. Milk, as you know, it's a uncountable noun. That's also correct. So the first rule you have to remember is we can use this definite article the with singular countable noun, plural countable noun or uncountable nouns. We can use this definite article. Then the next rule is we are using this definite article in order to denote a specific person or a thing. Just take this example. The book you want is out of print. So which book? The book that you want. So we are just referring to a particular book. The book you want is out of print. So we are denoting a particular book and that's why we are using the definite article the there. The book you want is out of print. Then take another example. I planted a tree in my garden. The tree has now grown big. So this two sentence. I planted a tree in my garden. So we are referring the tree in the first sentence and when we are referring the tree in the next sentence, we are using the definite article there. The tree has now grown big. So here we are referring to the noun which is already mentioned. And another example. Can you open the window? Can you open the window? We are referring to a particular window and that's why you are using the definite article there. And the next example, the person I met yesterday is a doctor. There also we are denoting a particular person. The person I met yesterday is a doctor. That's why we are using the definite article the there. So I think it's clear for you. When you are using the definite article the, you have to check whether we are denoting a particular or specific person or a thing, or the next one is we can use this definite article with singular countable nouns, plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Then another usage of this the. The definite article the is used with names of things which are the only one of their kind. For example, the sun. There is only one sun. That's why we are using the sun. Then the moon, the sky, the earth. That means we are using these definite articles with the names of things which are the only one of their kind. And the next usage is used before the names of rivers. We can use the definite articles before the names of rivers, then oceans, ships, trains, mountain. So can you say or can you think one example for this one? You can just imagine or you can just remember name of a river. Ganga. Ganga is a river and we are using the Ganga. We are using the definite article before the name of a river. And the next one, ocean. Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean. Like that we are saying. So we can use the definite articles the with oceans and train. The Malabar Express. That is how we are saying. We are adding this definite articles before this name of the train. And another example, mountain. The Himalaya. That is how we are using that one, the Himalaya. Okay. Next, we are using this definite article before superlatives. For example, the highest peak. Highest peak. So we are using their superlative. And the biggest animal. Then the nicest place. As you know, the highest. High, higher, highest. So there we are discussing the positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So high, higher, highest. We are using the definite article the with superlative. That is the highest peak, the biggest animal. There also big, bigger, biggest. There also the biggest. We are using the definite article the with the superlative. Is that clear? Okay. Then we can check what's the difference between the usage of these articles. So if I am asking you a question, do you have a pen? What's the meaning? Do you have a pen? So I am asking you that whether you have a pen or not. Then just take this example. Do you have the pen that Arun gave you? Do you have the pen that Arun gave you? Here the question is same, but just check the difference. In the second one, I am mentioning the pen that Arun gave you. So from this example, it's clear that we are using the article, that is indefinite articles, in order to just denote a word. In this sentence, you can see, do you have a pen? We are not referring to a particular thing. We are just asking, do you have a pen? I am asking, do you have a pen? And you can give me any pen. Then the second sentence, do you have the pen that Arun gave you? Here I am just specifying which pen I want. I am asking about the pen that Arun gave you. Then the next one, I want to buy an apartment. I want to buy an apartment. So I am not mentioning which apartment I like to buy. In the second one, I want to buy the apartment that we visited. In the second sentence, I am just mentioning the apartment that we visited. I am just referring to a particular apartment. So you can easily understand the difference between these two sentences. In the first sentence, I want to buy an apartment. There I am not referring to a particular apartment. And in the second one, I want to buy the apartment that we visited. So I am referring to a particular apartment. And there are some cases where we are not using articles, and that are with proper nouns. That means with names of people or places, we are not using these articles. For example, names of people like your name is if that is Arya, we are not saying it as the Arya. Or another example, Noel. We are not saying the Noel. The Noel is sleeping. We are not saying like that. We are saying Arya Noel. Noel is sleeping, that is correct. We are not using the article the or a or an with the names of persons. And what about the place names? There also we are not using these articles with the place names. For example, India or Mumbai or any other place, Chennai. We are not using the definite articles before these names of place. So this one you have to remember. We are not using the articles with proper nouns, that means names of persons or names of places. And the next, in some cases we are using these articles with certain place names, that is the United States, then the United Kingdom, the West Indies. There we are using this articles. So this one you have to remember. In certain place names like the United States, the United Kingdom, we are using the article there. And with the names of games, we are not using any article. For example, cricket, chess, badminton, these are the names of games and we are not using articles before this word. The cricket, the badminton, the chess, we are not using like that. We don't want to use any article in front of this names of games. And what about before languages? So we are using certain languages and we are not using any kind of articles before the language. That means the English, the Malayalam, the Hindi, these are wrong. We don't want to use this kind of articles before the names of language. And the next one, at fixed expression, we are not using these articles. For example, at home, at work, at noon, at night, there we are not using any articles. Then, when we are mentioning the days, we are not using any kind of articles. That is on Sunday, on Tuesday, we are not using any kind of articles. So, these all things you have to remember. We are not using any articles before certain names. Those are before proper nouns and before the names of games and languages, and at fixed expressions we are not using any kind of articles. So I think the rules of using this article is clear for you. So we can move on to the exercise. So the first one, we enjoyed dinner. We enjoyed dash dinner. So there you have to fill. So you have to choose the article. You can choose a or an or the. We enjoyed dash dinner. They have to write the answer. And the second one, dash apple fell on Newton's head. That also you have to fill. Dash apple fell on Newton's head. And the third one, did you see dash accident occurred yesterday? So you have to write the answer there. And the next one, they are believed to be dash hour late. They are believed to be dash hour late. Then the fifth one, I play with dash toy. Then the sixth one, she is dash poor girl. And the seventh one, he is dash eldest son of that family. And the eighth one, Ramu has dash umbrella. And the ninth one, there is dash carpet on dash floor. And the 10th one, dash Mount Everest is dash highest mountain in dash world. So here you have to fill in the blanks with proper articles. So this is the exercise. So you have to answer that one. Just go through the sentences one by one and you have to fill the blanks with proper article. You can choose A, or an or the, and you have to make that sentence correct. Now I think you understood all usage of articles. First of all, you have to remember all the usage or the rules while using the articles. As you know, there are two types of articles, that is definite article, that is the, and the indefinite article, that is a or an. And we are using the definite articles in order to refer a particular person or specific person or a thing, and we are using the indefinite article, that is a or an, to denote or to refer a person but not specified. And you have to remember the usage of indefinite article, that is we are using the indefinite articles with singular countable noun, and when we are using the indefinite article and, we are using indefinite article and with the word beginning with vowel sound, and we are using the article a with words beginning with consonant sound. So all these things you have to remember. Just go through the exercise once again.